What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know everybody has been wondering where the turbo car is, and the turbo, it's back. It's finally back. Now, yeah, right. Before we go any farther, guys, it is a huge still work in progress. Okay, so just bear with us here. Still a work in progress, but it is actually tuned, and we're gonna drive it here in just a minute. Still got some issues going on. The pump is not running at the moment. We've had some issues where the pump was just wanted to run randomly. That's not the moment. No, battery's still hooked up. So let's go ahead and pop the hood real quick, show you where we're at. It's been up getting tuned by Jesse Tolley, and it's got it running good. But everything's pretty well. And I know, guys, if you're new to the channel, this car was actually built back, it's been 6 months.
Almost a year.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got it running in February.
Yeah.
So, you know, I don't remember exactly when I started.
If you guys want to see the full build, it's right here on the channel. But basically, stock block, it's stock heads, roller rockers, mystery cam, Edelbrock intake, On3 turbo, Astro A5 transmission. So pretty basic build, super cool build, but nothing major. But it's running a micro squirt, which, you know, not a lot of people tune that. So we've had some issues getting the car tuned, but it's actually back and running great for all intents and purposes. Now there's a lot left, and if you're wondering what this is the wideband the tuner was using. So it's kind of,
yeah, we got them out there. Lots of little things.
Yeah, lots of little things, but you know, of course, we're gonna get the front bumper cover back on it, and
got to put subframe connectors on it.
Subframes, and then he's painting it after that, isn't he?
He's gonna do the interior.
Something like that, yeah. Interior, and when I was taking it to the tuner, guys, actually the tail light blew off. So yeah, don't judge. But what else in this car? Once it's all done, it's got the Dakota digital cluster, like I said, Astro A5 transmission. So it's got a built T5 in it, and like I said, there's the air fuel ratio. And then of course it has the micro squirt, which Jesse got tuned. So that was kind of a process. One of his first times tuning a boosted car with the micro squirt. So it's been a little while. And then of course we got the boost and all that gauge up there. But yeah, guys, I know everybody's been asking where the car is. It's here, it's back, and now it's time to, we got to finish up some of the other stuff. All right, guys, so we're gonna go for a little ride real quick, but Dover's gonna fire it up so you can actually hear it. It's running great. Uh-oh. I'm gonna jinx us saying that. I gotta stop saying that. Yeah, I mean, it's, sounds great. It's actually fairly quiet. Yeah, but you can hear it. It's hear that cam hitting too. It's subtle, but yeah, that sounds great. Which actually, the engine this came out of, when Alex had it, it hit hard. I mean, that cam had quite a bit of cam chop to it. Yeah, boy, she's pretty cool. But we're about to take it down the road and just make some long-awaited turbo noises. I know you guys probably thought we forgot about it, and it wasn't going to happen, but we're about to go make turbo noises right now. All right, boys, so she is running. Let's, I know everybody's been dying to hear turbo noises, just like all the rest of us. Wow.
Yeah, we got stuff everywhere.
Let's see.
It's a long way from doing.
I'm gonna strategically put my foot in here.
Yeah, don't tear up nothing.
Strategically, and then I've got them in, and I'm not gonna move them. This is how we do it, boys. We get it done one way or another.
It's not finished.
Yeah. Long way to come, but she's come a long way too.
Yeah, this is running finally.
Yeah, definitely running great.
Look at her.
Look at that. That's pretty sweet right there. I like that. You gotta load it down too. What?
Making noise.
Sounded like boost noises right there. There she goes.
Really hear it get as wide as the exhaust is.
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds great. She's making boost. I wish we had a gauge. Is the gauge working?
Yeah.
What's it show?
Like 6 pounds.
6 pounds. Look at the thing. He's got the old like gasser front end up under that thing. That is sweet. I don't get to see those every day. Hit it.
He lives right there. This is her. He's going home again.
That thing runs great.
Smells awesome.
Yeah, it really does. That blowout valve popping, turbo spooling. That's what it's all about. What? You gotta love that whistle though.
Got some cool air.
Yeah, lots of cool air on that intercooler. It's loving it. All right, guys. So, like I said, more updates on the turbo car coming. There's a lot of stuff we got to get finished on it. But it's a cool car and it's fun, guys. Again, it's got iron heads on it, a cam that is more than likely probably not optimized for a turbo setup. Even stock throttle body, but it pulls great. And you know, again, the turbo noises, you can't beat the turbo noise. Even if the car is not fast, if you're hearing a turbo, you're having a good day. So there you go, guys. That is the update on Brian's GT. Lots of stuff coming. He's got a Cobra Arcs or a On3 Cobra hood for it. He's got a bumper cover. So I mean, there's a long way to go on this bad boy. All right, guys, we will have an update on Lee's 4i coming very soon. But if you're an OG to the channel, there no introduction needed, right?
That's right.
No introduction needed. And actually, I guess because it's been so long, we should probably show them what's working under the hood, right? I mean, it's been like 2 years.
2 years, yeah.
Maybe longer. It was,
yeah, maybe longer, yeah.
It was early to mid 2018, but this was Dover's, I don't even remember. But yeah, your eyes do not deceive you, boys. Coyote swapped LTD wagon, stock airbox and all.
With a 5-speed.
With a stick. Yeah, this car actually came with a 5.0 and a 5-speed, an old school 5.0 5-speed.
It was garbage.
And it was, yeah, it leaked oil. It was slow.
Burnt your eyes driving.
But I mean, a poop brown wagon. I mean, it doesn't get any better. And I've actually got a video of Ken wearing that shirt. So yeah, let's go drive this beast. Gen 1 Coyote, and this was that 3550, wasn't it? That we got from that guy with the 4i convertible, I think.
It's all manual, steering, brakes.
Yep. It's interesting to drive. Requires a little bit of requires a little arm strength to turn, but once you get going, it's all good.
Ready, man.
All right, bringing back memories here. Lug it, lug it. How much fun we just got out of a turbocharged car. This thing is a blast.
But you're in a wagon.
I know. And you know, when you're driving the manual brakes and steering,
Yeah, it ain't bad.
they're not bad.
Yeah.
If this transmission was capable of shifting at high RPM,
Like
you know,
yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing.
Yeah.
Manual brakes. Yes, sir.
It would probably help if it had good brakes too.
Yeah.
You ain't got much on brakes.
It's got all the go and no whoa.
Yeah.
This thing is our flying. I forgot how much fun this car was.
Me too. Like, why did I get rid of this?
Right? Just gotta add a little stopping distance compared to driving some of the other cars. Manual brakes. Just stand on them, it'll stop eventually.
That's right.
Oh, just hanging out, you know. Yeah.
This is unreal.
All right.
Too much fun.
Do it. Huh? Yeah, definitely. I say yes. I say yes. Oh! All right, boys. So there you go. It's two updates on Brian's turbo car, and then of course the OG Mr. Hankey back for a little work. But guys, lots coming for everything out here. Even, I promise you, we got no end. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and believe me, we got so much coming. Hit that notification bell, smash the subscribe button. I got you covered.